Hi, my name is Mitzi and I've been in the construction field for over 10 years. I've been doing sheet metal for about 10 and I love what I do. I started off many years ago doing office work and administration, and I realized I wanted to do more. I wanted to work more with my hand. Decided I wanted to learn one of the trades, and I ended up with sheet metal and I love it. I recently did a job, was asked if I would draw the job up because as a woman you have a different eye for how you want things to look and be aesthetically appealing. And I drew the deck up and it really looks fantastic. It's a very mentally and physically rewarding career, whether you're in the office or whether you're in the field. My advice is realize your limitations and push past that, because you are the only person that stops you from moving further.